How to do long division? Actually, there are basically 4 steps to do long division. You will learn all the steps from this video automatically. So this is the ideal presentation of a long division problem. Here we'll write divisor, then dividend, quotient, and sometimes we need to write remainder. So let us take an example. Let's say you have the number 44 and you would like to divide this number by 2. So here 2 is a divisor and 44 is a dividend. Divisor means member of a group and quotient means number of groups and dividend means total members, and division means the process of making group. So what is long division? Long division is a method to divide long numbers into steps into or parts. So let us divide. So look, 2, consider the first digit of the dividend. 2 goes into 4 how many times? So at first you need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 1, that gives us 2. Then 2 times 2, that gives us 4. Just you have to add 2 with these 2. Then you will get 4. Then 2 times 3, that gives us, just add 2, 6. Right? Look, here we have 4. So we have to stop here. So 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times. Let us write 2 over this number. Then multiply this quotient and this divisor. 2 times 2, that gives us 4. Right? 4. So now subtract. This is your third step. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. Now the fourth step, you have to bring down or take down the next figure. Okay, next figure A4. So this 0 don't have any value. So 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times. So let us write 2 here. And 2 times 2, that gives us 4. So our remainder here is 0, right? So we have nothing to do. Okay, so this is our quotient or answer, right? Okay, let us take another example. How to divide this number with 21. This is a 21. This is a 2-digit divisor and this is a 3-digit dividend. So how to divide this? Look, 21 goes into 4 how many times? Actually this is a smaller number, right? So 0 times. So 0 times 21, that gives us 0. So if you subtract, that gives us 4. Now bring down the second digit, 4. 21 goes into 44 how many times? Look, we need multiplication table. 21 times 2, that is 21. Then 21 times 2, 21 times 1, 21. 21 times 2, what will be the result? Just add 21 with this 21. So 2, 4. Then 21 times 3, what will be the result? Just add 21 with this number. 3, 6. That is 42 and 21. This is 3 and 6, 63, right? 63. So look, you don't need to memorize multiplication table. So look, here we have 44 and here 63, that is bigger. So we have to stop here. 21 goes into 42 2 times. So write 2 here. 2 times 21, that gives us 42. Now subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 4 0. So 2 is our remainder. So bring down the next figure 21. 21 goes into 21 how many times? 1 times. So let us write 1 here. So 21 times 21 21 subtract 0. So our quotient is 21, right? And this is the answer. Okay, let us take another problem so that you can have clear knowledge. So this is your problem, and you have to divide this problem by 17. Look, 17 goes into 1 how many times? Actually 0 times, right? So 0 times 17, that gives us 0, subtract 1. Bring down the second figure, that is 8 here, 8. So now write multiplication table. 17 times 1, 17. 17 times 2, that gives us, just add 17 with this 17, right? Then 14, carry 1, 30, 34, right? 34. Here we have 18, so we have to stop here. So 17 goes into 18 1 times. 1 times 17, that is 17. If you subtract, then you are getting 1, right? So now bring down this 0. So after bringing down this 0, we are getting 10. 17 goes into 10 how many times? 0 times actually, because this is smaller. So 0 times 17, 0. If you subtract, then you are getting here 10. Now bring down this last figure, 107. This is your remainder. This is your number. So let us 17 goes into this number how many times? So let us write the multiplication table. 2. Then 17 times 3 equal to what? Just add 17 with this result. So 7 plus 4, 10, 11. 11, 1, carry 1. 4, 5, 51. But here we have 107. So let us proceed. Then 4 times. Just add 17 with this 51. So what is happened? 8, 6, 68. Then what will happen? 17 times 5. Just add 17 with this number. What is happening here? 7 plus 8, that is, so 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. So we have to write 5 and bring down and carry 1. 7, 8, 85, right? 85. Then 17 times 6, what will be the result? Just add 17 with this result. So 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 9, 10. This is 102. 102, right? And okay, if you take here 7, then just add 17 with this result. So 9, 1, 1, 1, 9, 119. So this is your number. So we have to stop here, right? 17 times 6, 102. We have to stop here. So 17 goes into 107. 6 times. 6 times, right? 6 times 17, that gives us 102. If you subtract, then what will happen? Okay, 5, right? Your remainder is 5. So you can, this 0 don't have any value, so you can write the remainder here, remainder 5, right? So this is your result. Okay, so let us take another example so that you can have clear message, right? So how to divide this number by 22? Look, 20 goes into 4 how many times? 0 times, because this is less than this divisor. 0 times 22, 0. If you subtract 4 minus 0, 4. Bring down the second figure, 4. 24 goes into 44 how many times? Look, 22 times 1, that gives us 22, that gives us 4. Just add 22, 4, 44, right? So 22 goes into 44 2 times, so right here 2 times 44. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. So bring down the third number, 4. 22 goes into 4 how many times? Actually 0 times, so let us write 0. Now bring down 0 times. 0 times 22, 0. Subtract, then 4. Then bring down the last digit, 44. 22 goes into 44 how many times? 2 times. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is, this is your result. This 0 don't have any value. So by applying this type of logic, you can do long division easily.